Hi, I'm Jacob Rinda, Rollon's Central Regional Engineer, and today I'd like to talk to you about Rollon's Telerace series of telescopic rails. Now, these rails are pretty cool insofar as they use rollers instead of ball bearing cages, and those rollers are similar to the rollers used in Rollon's compact rail. And what that means for the Telerace series is that these rails are very resistant to contamination, and they will not suffer from ball cage creep, and therefore the hangs and jam ups that can happen with standard telescopic rails. The Telerace series is recommended for high frequency applications where long service life requirements and low maintenance are deciding factors in picking a telescopic rail. Now, because of those rollers, the TLQ, TQN, and TQAX series can also be vertically mounted, opening up some cool applications. So if you'd like more information on the Telerace series, head over to rollon.com. Thanks.